Omuduumizi w'amahega hitaka Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga okuhamya abantu ADF tekiine maani n'obuyaba ari omugenyi mukuru ahakora byahabeegi abatwene begesibwa aha ky'okundi ihanga lyabo Irish patriotism aha Kichwamba Technical College.
Sending people to bomb Kampala, bomb here, throw a bomb here and there. 5 years down the road, they are deep in Congo running like many of their commanders were killed, foreign fighters and all that. So they are no longer the ADF, aka ISCAP, is no longer a threat to this country. I can assure you. They will not come back here. Everything they have tried, no one has gone back.
Ogunagiranga abantu mu ihanga lya Congo bakagaruka mu maka gabo amashomero amakanisa n'amarwariro gigura ahabwo obusinjiburo.
In the DRC, schools have opened again. People have gone back to their farms in Eastern DRC. Those refugees we had inside here, most of them have gone back. Churches have opened. A lot of successes there.
District ya Kabarore abazambushi ba ADF nibijuka munonga ubatahirira itendekero rya Kichwamba Technical College bakaritaho umuriro aha 8 kwezi kwa mukaga umwaka gwa 1998. Ekikorwa eki kikasiga beegi 8 bafire kandi abantu barokurenga omurigana batwirwa bazahambu cyaba.
As we talk about the ADF, I request that we all stand up in remembrance of our students here who were brutally murdered by these terrorists from Eastern DRC. A moment of silence.
Enshumincha hingwire mukuru wihanga karagira ngo abantu abafeyirwa abantu babo omukikorwe cyabira hitendekereri bashumbushubwe. Richard Rwabuhinga uri mukuru wa district ya Kabarore najyangu naba batirwa bazahambuki konka bakije bakatorokayo nabo bine kutekatekwa ho government.
However, we note, chief guest, that there are those children who were abducted and cannot be accounted for. There are those who escaped from the bush, and some of them came back with guns and handed them over to UPDF. And some of them have never lived very normal lives because of the trauma they got as a result of that attack. I do appeal to you, sir, to the Commander-in-Chief and the President of this country to also consider these students, the survivors of the Inferno, especially those who still live.
Muhanga hona yashaba beegi abahizo kutendekwa omya patriotism okukora cyona kiri kubasika okureba ngo bakundi ihanga lyabo. Gachoka Juna Nsingwire.